coronavirus spreads around the globe. More people are buying face masks, and factories are scrambling to keep up with demand. This factory in the eastern Chinese city of Jiaozhou has been busy pumping out 3 million masks a day. We are inside Sanqi, China's largest mask factory. Here, production has doubled since the coronavirus outbreak started in January. More than 800 workers have been racing against the clock to meet tight deadlines. About 80% of them were recently hired just to complete this job.
这种情况加班加点，现在是24小时，机器不停，人员来回轮流上班。
About 1 million masks made here every day go to hospitals in Hubei province, the epicenter of the outbreak in China.
非常的快，早上7点半，进车间，然后一直工作到6点，然后晚上有时候还要安排分班加班。最大的挑战和困难就是每天，现在的人员比以前增加了5到6倍，现在面临着很订单多、任务重，然后还有原材辅料有时候不跟不上。
There are 5 steps in making a mask.
那么生产口罩呢，它是这样子的。那么你看，我们从原料厂采购了原料，那么要通过一个超声波制片机进行制片的，口罩本体片子的一个制作，然后呢，再通过一个这个点焊机进行2代的点焊，然后呢，在点焊过程当中呢，它实行了我们现在实行一个自动化的检测。 那么对一些不良品剔除，那么这道工序结束以后呢，那么它会进入一个人工复检过程和包装过程。
Sanqi began producing masks in 1993 and now makes about 10% of China's surgical masks. The brand rose to prominence during the SARS epidemic in 2002 and 2003. The epidemic hit China hard, and people started wearing masks in hopes of preventing the spread of infections. In Hong Kong alone, more than 90% of residents reportedly wore them during the SARS crisis.
那么从那以后，我们公司就进入了发展的快车道，是吧？一直到2009年的甲流。2009年甲流的时候，我们的公司最大的一天产量达到460万只。 那么甲流呢，是我们主要产品呢，是出口到国外比较多，应该说是大部分去了一个日本市场比较多一些。
In the past few years, severe air pollution has also made masks ubiquitous across East Asia. On days with bad air, it's not unusual to see people walking on the streets with masks on. Before the latest coronavirus epidemic, China was already making half of the world's mask supply, with a daily output of 20 million units. Now demand is even higher, and factories in China are trying to find ways to make more in the future.
这个有的，那么未来的我们这个产业啊，调整的时候，那么我们会做到一个整个的流程的自动化，智能化。 那么改变呢？那么完全靠人来做工作的这个事情。